In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Spotify playback pausing or skipping. Okay, so if you have this issue, then there are a couple of things that you can see or troubleshoot in order to fix it. Firstly, always check your internet connection, because if there is a drop in your net connection, then that might cause Spotify to not play or stop playing. So make sure, go to your internet connection, see if you are really connected to a Wi-Fi or your mobile data is turned on. Just double check with that there is no issue with your connection. Then what you can do, you can try to restart your application. So if you have your app here, so your Spotify app, just try to quit it. Okay, just quit the app and then launch it again and see if that fixes up the issue. Another thing, just go to your Play Store and then see if there is any updates for your Spotify. So go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, just go to Spotify and see, search for Spotify and see if there is any updates here. So if there is an updates for Spotify, for example, like here you see there's an update, just update your app, because this might clear up any bugs and stuff. Okay, and apart from that, what you can also do is see if you're any other, if you have multiple devices playing. So if you have any other devices, like a call coming in or any other, your speaker is being utilized by any other apps, just check for that if something has interrupted. If it is so, just close it and that should fix up the issue. Or else what you can also do is, if you go back to settings on your phone and go to your apps. Okay, so go to your apps and then go for search for your Spotify apps. Open up Spotify and go to your Spotify app settings. So once you're here, what you can do, you can go to this storage option here. Okay, and then try to clear the cache, because that can get rid of minor bugs as well. Click on clear cache and restart the app, and that should fix up the issue. Also, if you have put your phone on any battery saver or data saver mode, just disable it, because that might also cause the issue. So these are the ways how you can troubleshoot. Hope this video helps.